Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use a group by clause in Oracle select statement. Here we have three practices. Write a query to display number of employees with the same job, give an appropriate column alias, and sort the output by number of employees in descending order. So we want to display number of employees with the same job, means same job ID. So we want to display select job underscore ID, and we can specify here count star from table employees, and we can group the records by using job ID. So here the select statement will group the employees by using the job ID and retain the count of employees per each job. Sort the output by number of employees in descending order, so we can put here order by, and we can order the data by the second column in the select statement, order by 2 in descending order. Give an appropriate column alias. We can put here, for example, this is job, and here we can put, for example, number of employees. Run this select statement, and here we go. This is the job, which is SA underscore rep, and here number of employees having the same job is 30. Here SH underscore clerk, and number of employees having SH underscore clerk as a job ID is 20, and so on. In the second practice, write a query to display number of departments in each location. So in table departments, we have a location ID. So if you select department underscore ID and location underscore ID from table departments and run this select statement, so we have here the department ID and the location ID. So for example, here this department ID 10 and this is 30. The location ID is 1700. We want to display number of departments in each location, so we can put here the location ID, and we can put here count star, and we can then group the output by location underscore ID. That's it. Run the select statement, and here we go. For example, here location 1700, we have 21 departments located in location 1700. Other locations, we have only one department for each location. The third practice here, write a query to display sum, average, minimum, maximum salary per each department and job. Per each department and job. So we want to display, for example, job ID, department underscore ID, and we want to display the sum of salaries, minimum salary, maximum salary, and also average salary from table employees. Here per each department and job, that means group by job underscore ID and department underscore ID. Divide the employees into groups using department ID and job ID, and then display the sum, minimum, maximum, average salary per each group. Run the select statement, and here we go. This is the job ID, this is department ID, and this is the sum of salaries. This is the minimum salary, this is the maximum salary, and this is the average salary. We can here round the average salary to 0 decimal point, for example, by using round, or you can put here comma 0, the same idea, and run the statement again. As we can see here, the average is rounded to 0 decimal point. We can order the data, for example, by using the department ID and then by using the job ID. Run the select statement again, and here we go. So for example, here this is department 20, the job ID is mk underscore man, and here department ID 20 and the job ID mk underscore rep. This is one group and this is one group. This is the sum of the salaries, minimum salary, maximum salary, and average salary for this group, and this is also sum salary, minimum salary, maximum salary, and the average salary for this group, and so on. So in this practice, we learned how to use a group by clause in Oracle select statement. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.